and welcome back to my new video. Today, I know I look like shit at this point of time because I am gonna be doing a catfish makeup video that is inspired by Karen from I Am Karen. Oh, I love her videos so much. Now this is me barefaced, how I usually look when I'm at home. Let's get right into the makeup video. So one thing that's very important for me, and I think that all of you guys should definitely adopt this, would be first to always put either a makeup base or to put a sunblock, but it's best if it contains both, like this Cezanne one. So this is a Cezanne makeup base that contains SPF inside, which is very important because you guys know Singapore's UV rays is very scary. So anyway, it's a very watery consistency, and I feel that putting a makeup base actually helps to even out the redness on your skin. Although it's a very minimal effect, but it does make a difference, especially those acne spots or red spot, etc. But most importantly, when it contains SPF, it actually prevents dark spots and pigmentation from growing on your face. If you guys can't tell, it actually makes my face look brighter now. It looks more radiant and it absorbs into my skin really quickly. So I'm using a powder foundation now from Cezanne. Anyway, you know, when I was young, I started off using powder foundation because my mom only has powder foundation, and even until now, she prefers using powder foundation because she says that powder foundation actually gives off a very lightweight and airy finishing to your face, which I don't disagree, because I always have this mind block that like too much liquid foundation will actually clog your skin. You guys can tell this is my face with foundation, this is my face without foundation, so the red spots and all are pretty obvious still. So this foundation definitely doesn't provide full coverage, but I will personally use this on a daily basis because, like what I mentioned, I'll prefer a lightweight foundation over a heavyweight foundation any day. And one thing would be because I have very oily brows, so I don't know why, like usually it's the T-zone, right? But I think my T-zone extend until here, okay? Because like my eyebrows here always either fade off very quickly during the day, or the eyebrow pencil that I use doesn't glide onto my skin properly because this is very oily. So one tip that I always use would be to apply foundation on my eyebrow to mattify this so that it'll be easier for me to draw my eyebrow. Okay, then now I'm gonna use the Cezanne Twist eyebrow pencil. I've tried this, and guys, this will be on my top 10 best eyebrow pencil list. I love this. It just glides onto my skin so smoothly, and it's super pigmented. I love it. Oh my god. One stroke and it comes out really beautifully. You look at the tip, it's like a flat overly shaped tip. It's not like a round tip, because usually I feel that round tip makes it extremely difficult to draw the eyebrows. So can you guys tell? Oh my god, this eyebrow is perfect! Oh my god! Okay, so this eyebrow looks so good, and the reason why it can glide onto my skin so smoothly and it doesn't give off a very oily finish would be because of the foundation trick. So you guys can use that if you have a very oily eyebrows like me. So if you guys see here, it's like starting to like get oily again. It's just my T-zone, okay? So now I'm done with my eyebrows, which is the most important part. So next, I am gonna move on to contouring of my face. I know some of you guys will be like, your face is already so small, why the hell do you need to contour it? Okay, I think one thing which you guys probably have never noticed about me would be the side of my face. I hardly take pictures from the side view because I have an extremely ugly jawline. It's not even a jawline, don't even know what is it, okay? Like if you look from the side, I look like an alien, okay? Like my face is just a V shape down, like there isn't even like a jawline, okay? So usually I will contour this side to give myself a more defined jawline. Use their Cezanne Shadow Stick, which is so good to bring around with me because it's so compact. So I will usually contour this area that is like where my double chin is situated. Sometimes when my brush can't seem to blend this freaking thing out, I'll just use my hand. Can you tell? I have like a even more defined face now. Later on, I'll actually highlight this place, which I will not do now because I usually highlight my face at the end of my makeup when everything is in place and I want to see what kind of look I'm going for, so then I'll highlight it. So So then next I will contour my nails. I don't usually contour my nose, but I just feel that it's a good trick to show you guys. So I will use this shadow. I have to start from here. Then I will use this brush to blend it out. So ta-da! My nose looks sharper. I look like I just got a nose job. Okay. So we're done with contouring my face. Now let's move on to my favorite part, and that is the eyeshadow. So usually before I apply my eyeshadow, I will either apply a makeup base or my primer for another time on my eyelids, so that this will ensure that the eyeshadow stays on my lids longer than usual. So I'm using the makeup base now to just put it all over my eyelids. So I actually have two eyeshadow palettes here, and today I'm going to go for a more natural look, so we are going to use this orange palette. Anyway, I'm more prone to the orange brown color side, so let's start with this. So we can always start with, I will be using this color first all over my eyelids. Okay, so it's a very nice like white shimmery vibe to my whole eyes now, my eyelids. Anyway, it's a very subtle white color on my eyelids because this is supposed to be like an everyday wear. Then next I will go in with this orangey color, which is my favorite. So then I'll get this orange color. Look at the orange. Oh my god, so nice. It's not super pigmented whereby it's like boom in your face, you know, but it's really light, and it's very Korean makeup style. So now I'm gonna apply a thicker layer on my eyelids. Nice. So this is how my eyes looks now. Now I am gonna contour the edge of my eyes with a darker color to even out everything. Okay, then now I'm just gonna take the darker color and to line. So now that I'm almost done with my eyeshadow, I haven't fully get it done yet. I am gonna put my concealer finally. Okay, I usually try my best to put my concealer after my eyeshadow in case there's any residue that falls onto here or whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna dab it on my eyes. I'm gonna put some on my neck. It's so ugly, but no choice. Nobody's born perfect, right? So I'm gonna blend it out with my hand. So this concealer is very lightweight. It doesn't feel very creamy or heavy. That's why it's very easy to blend out. You can see for yourself. Coverage is more medium coverage. Other concealer that they have, because I do have dark eye circle, so I'll use a more reddish color. Apply on my under eye as well to cover up the dark eye circle or any eyeshadow residue. Do it closer to my eyes. This is one trick that you guys can use. Okay, next will be the coolest thing I've ever come across, and that would be a double eyelid eyeliner. What is that, guys? Now you guys are gonna see what is that. So this is Cezanne's double eyelid eyeliner. If you have single eyelid, this will be very good for you because this will help you to accentuate your eyelids even more. Or for me, who just did double eyelid surgery a while back, I can use this to make my eyelid even more deep. So you see, if I close my eyes, you can't even see it. Love it. Next, I'm gonna use it on my airily. I'm gonna use it lightly. So this part of my eyes doesn't have airily at all, but I'm gonna just draw a fake one inside, okay? Airily looks very natural now. Lightly blend it out, and then I will take then I'll go back to this eyeshadow to use this one to actually fill the gaps. Okay, so now we are done with making the fake eye bags. I am gonna draw my eyeliner now to pull out my eyes so that my eyes will look longer. Ta-da! So natural. Anyway, I really like the double eyelid pen because you see my double eyelid looks so thick and parallel now. If you are someone that has tapered eyelids and you want your eyelids to look thicker and more parallel, this double eyelid eyeliner is the choice for you. Okay, so this is how I look now after applying my eyeliner. So my eyeshadow doesn't look so bad, but my double eyelid still looks so thick. Right? Okay. So now I am gonna apply my blusher, but before that I'm gonna show you guys a trick because I don't really have a very nice cheekbone. So what I usually do, I would contour my cheekbones. I'll use this, and then I'll use the Cezanne little brush, get a bit of this, and then I'll just contour it on the side over here. So I'm using this Cezanne blusher. It's like a deep red blusher. Swipe a bit, but I will get rid of it a bit because I don't really want it to be too red. Ah, it's a nice color. So anyway, one trick which my friend taught me when it comes to applying blusher will be to apply downwards. Then next, I will use their purple makeup thingy, okay, to highlight my face. So this actually brightens. So I usually want my cheeks to look high, so I want here to look very bright. Then I'll go with another layer of the blusher, make it look even more natural, like to blend it out. And also I'll use this on my forehead because I really want my forehead to pop. So I usually want it to pop, and then I will just apply it all over my... I know who the hell wants their forehead to pop, but that's me. The next step that I should do would be to add mascara to my eyes. I always apply mascara because if you guys can't tell, I don't have eyelash extensions anymore. So the most important part about mascara is to apply it on your bottom lash because this will help to make your eyes look very baby doll like, which I am obsessed about recently, and I have been applying a lot of mascara to my lower lash. Okay, so now that I've applied my mascara, see my eyes look bigger, especially my bottom lashes. Okay, then I am gonna apply my lipstick now, and I'm using their normal lipstick. The packaging is so nice and beautiful. This is like a deep red color. It looks like a deep red, but it's actually not that deep. It's quite a bright red. So this is like a bright red look, and I'm gonna use a tissue to dap it. So see, it doesn't really transfer much. See, even after this is a bad tissue. And now we are done with my Cezanne makeup look, and we are going to the most catfish part about this video. This is supposedly brown colored contact lens, but I don't know why on me it looks very grayish brown. So this is how I look. Super catfish from how I usually look without my makeup. And now I am gonna go get ready and see how I look. So that's it for my catfish makeup look for you guys. Once again, if you guys have been following me on YouTube for a while, you know that I'm not the best makeup guru on YouTube, but I do try my best to make myself look good. I mean, we all want to look good for ourselves, right? Okay, so the most exciting part has finally come. Okay, 2 of you guys will walk away with a box of Cezanne cosmetics, and all you need to do would be to first, you gotta be subscribed to the Fatfoal family, obviously. Second, you got to be following me on my Instagram. And third, comment down below and let me know who are your favorite makeup YouTubers. I mean, I do have a few favorite YouTubers, but I'm always on the hunt for new makeup gurus on YouTube. So please introduce me some of your favorite YouTubers, and then I will pick the winner on the 21st of April on my Instagram story at 11 PM Singapore time. Okay, and also on the 21st of April, I will be holding a Cezanne workshop at Bugis Watson's. It's open to public, which means all of you guys can come and see me. I know I'm not like super popular or like famous for you guys to make the trip down, but I do hope that you guys can show me some support, because the first 10 of you guys will actually walk away with a Cezanne goodie bag, which is really very exciting. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope that all of you guys have enjoyed this mini Korean tutorial, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!